Good morning. Sunday, August 18th, 2013. I'm going to dump out some of the vacuumings from yesterday. I vacuumed a little hallway upstairs in my son's room. Oh my god, this is horrible. I'll tell you, this vacuum really sucks a lot up. Clean each time. Got a little bit of sidewalk this time. Yeah, I have to vacuum the living room each time because the dust in here migrates, and I set up a cloth to take pictures for eBay. Okay, there it is, fairly clean. We might have to
You have the hose out?
clean. No, I turned it off though. You want to spray some? Okay. I have to clean it with detergent at some point. My mom put something else out. She wants to wash her off here. I guess I'll just do that.